This is the IIooIUS monitor riser stand. Let's take it out of the box. In the box is the unit itself. They give you a little sheet here that shows how to assemble it, but I'll show you that. And here it is. It's just a plastic thing, 3 plastic pieces, and a USB cable. Let me show you how this goes together. Okay, it's very simple to put together. Let me run this out here. You see the rounded edge, and you have a rounded edge here with a lip on it, and these are hexagonal, so you just simply line it up and fit it together. The other side is exactly the same, so you do that, and the center goes, it looks like it would go that way, but it doesn't. It goes this way. Right there. So now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rubber pads. We'll go ahead and flip this over, and now I'll show it to you. This solves the age-old problem of I'm running out of space for junk on my desk. So what this is a monitor riser. Okay, so you place this under your monitor and place a monitor here, just like this. And now you have your monitor on top of the riser, and now you can fit stuff underneath this here. You can put a stapler, you can put other little tchotchkes you have on your desk, and you also have little spaces here for you to put all the other little things that just don't make their way off of your desk. You can put a phone charger there, and maybe a cable for it right there. You have space for pens and pencils here that you can put, and it also has a built-in 3-port USB hub, which is extremely convenient. The cable, which is underneath, nice long cable here, that can run all the way down to your computer or your laptop, whatever it is, and then you just can plug your stuff like flash drives or maybe a memory card reader or something like that into there. This is about 26 inches by 10 inches. I know this is a 15-inch monitor, but that's quite all right. If you have a 24-inch monitor, well, go ahead and put it on here, because the base of it is really not going to be much larger than that. It'll handle up to 60 pounds, so it'll handle a big beefy monitor without any problem. You can do that. It can overhang the edges. That's perfectly fine. Nothing stopping that. And this also will elevate your screen, because a lot of times people have their screens actually too low on the desk, and they end up looking kind of about here, almost over the monitor. And yes, some monitors will tilt in that, and you can tilt them upwards, but then it just looks awkward. If you raise the monitor up, you'll have a much more ergonomic experience with your computer, leading to less eye fatigue. Plus, you got a place for all your stuff, and USB ports to plug in flash drives and whatnot right there. Maybe you have a camera that you want to plug in. Or if you need to just charge something, you can do that as well, provided the other end, of course, is plugged into your computer. So an excellent monitor riser stand by IIooIUS. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find it available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.